6 reasons to specify a vapor intrusion barrier offering the highest level of chemical resistance. Why choose a vapor intrusion barrier with the highest chemical resistance on the market? The answer is simple: to effectively mitigate the risk for properties where there is underlying contamination that cannot be removed and presents a serious risk to human health. A high level of chemical resistance assures both building occupants and owners that they are shielded from physical and financial harm. TerraShield offers the highest level of protection compared to other passive vapor barrier systems available. With industry-leading standards for installation along with robust warranty options, there is simply no better option on the market for industrial, commercial, or residential vapor intrusion mitigation. Here are 6 reasons to consider a TerraShield vapor intrusion barrier to protect your property investment. Number 1. Demand unparalleled chemical resistance. The level of chemical resistance offered by TerraShield is unmatched by any other passive barrier system on the market. Years of research and development have resulted in the highest level of chemical resistance available. Lab results indicate the base layer for TerraShield offers 100 times more protection against trichloroethylene, or TCE, a solvent commonly found on former brownfield sites, compared to a high-density polyethylene, or HDPE, base layer. Studies have also shown that the spray-applied nitrile-advanced asphalt latex used in TerraShield offers up to 10 times the chemical resistance against TCE vapors versus a comparable styrene butadiene-based asphalt latex. Number 2. Choose a solution that is lab-tested to perform. TerraShield is lab-tested and proven to be effective against TCE. Incorporating new aluminum metallized film and an innovative design, TerraShield has proven to be effective at resisting TCE diffusion, even at concentrations far above those normally encountered in buildings. The individual components of TerraShield work together to ensure its effectiveness and represents a significant leap forward in performance relative to alternative vapor barrier systems. Number 3. Incorporates venting technology. TerraShield also works effectively with a venting option. TerraVent, a low-profile, trenchless, flexible sub-slab vapor collection system, works in lieu of perforated piping and can passively or actively vent vapors. TerraVent diverts vapors and prevents them from entering occupied spaces, providing an additional layer of protection against potential health hazards and further reducing risk. Number 4. A puncture-resistant vapor barrier removes worry. Layers of protection make this system the most robust available today. TerraShield is constructed of several layers, each adding to the physical robustness of the overall system. Composed of a metallized film laminated to a geotextile, a copolymer polyethylene, and a tear-resistant PET reinforced grid structure providing superior durability, TerraShield is designed to withstand the stresses of a typical construction site. Number 5. Installation done right, certified by experts. Land Science invests heavily in their certified applicators. All TerraShield contractors must pass a rigorous applicator certification and training program to ensure their work meets the demanding installation standards required for ultimate performance. Trust a Land Science certified applicator to install your barrier to exacting standards. Number 6. Choose a vapor intrusion system with an industry-leading warranty. Land Science offers industry-leading warranty options for its full suite of vapor barriers, including material and system warranties with durations from 1 to 30 years. So you can rest assured that your investment in vapor intrusion mitigation is protected. If the highest level of chemical resistance is important for your site, TerraShield should be considered within any remedial strategy discussion. For more information on TerraShield, please visit our website at www.landsciencetech.com.